look at how to clerk outpatients in this video. So let's open the outpatient module. Find our patient using their patient number. Let us use patient number 78409 and either hit enter or click search. Now once the patient record or records have loaded, pick the open one, most recent one, double click to open the patient treatment form. Create a new encounter, and if there are any triage notes, they will be displayed here. We only have temperature for this particular patient and the most previous reading, but it's good to note that if the patient had gone through triage, the triage notes will be in this section. Now, chief complaints. The tab for chief complaints is next to the vitals and triage tab. So let's tap it. And let's say our patient is presenting with a headache. As you type, the system will help you to filter, select and update, and perhaps back pain. Again, as you type, the system will help you filter. There you go, back pain, click update. Those are chief complaints. Next, we have history of presenting illness, which is a general text area. So it's a general text area open for typing. So maybe we can say the patient was sick for 5 days. Next, we have physical examination. If you have to take vitals yourself, this is how you record them. Temperature, for example, just double click and say 37, maybe, click update, and so on and so forth. For all the other vital signs, I just put in an arbitrary figure here. And for general exams, if your patient is presenting with pallor, just come and check the box next to it. Edema, the same. Should you want to add comments, double click under the comments row and type your comments, maybe severe, and click update. Now, should you need to add more information from your physical examination, there's a text area to the right where you type further information. Now that is it for the beginning of the doctor's notes. Now let's look at investigations. We have lab tests and imaging. By default, once you click the investigations tab, you'll be in the lab test section. Now let us request BS for MPS, for example, and see how it works out. So once you type, the system will help you filter and select. Should you want to request another investigation, say for example, rheumatoid factor, RF, simply type and select. Imaging. Again, let us add request. Say you want pelvic X-ray. As you type, the system will help you filter. Should you want to add another request, again, click add request, and maybe you want chest X-ray as well. And there we are, and click update. So that's it for investigations. Next, we have our diagnosis tab. Again, to add the diagnosis, click the add button. Say our patient has malaria. Confirmed, maybe. We can change the stage appropriately, but let's leave it as confirmed and update. Next, we have our treatment. Now we have 3 tabs under treatment. We have the prescriptions. This is for drug prescriptions. Minor theater tab for procedures and instructions. Now, for the prescriptions, let us click add. Maybe we want to prescribe amoxil. Again, the system has a predefined list of these prescriptions. So let's pick amoxil tab. The configuration has things like route, dosage, frequency, and duration pre-configured, but you are always welcome to change. These are not set in stone. Once you have selected your prescription, click update. To add another one, process is the same. Click add and repeat. Now, for procedures, which is under the minor theatre tab, again click the add button, say you want dressing, wound dressing, there we are. Select it and update. Should you want further instructions, maybe you would want the wound dressed or the dressing changed daily. This is where the instructions go. Now that is it for the treatment tab. Next we have our appointments. So should you want to refer the patient internally, you click add. Internal referral means to another clinic. So click add. Let us choose maybe MOPC, Medical Outpatient Clinic. Select it and update. And depending on the patient and the system's configuration, it will give you a pop-up on how to advise the patient. There we are. Like this particular pop-up tells you to advise the patient to go ahead and pay 250 shillings for the MOPC clinic and proceed to the clinic. For a return date, the tab is next to the internal referral. Click the add button, pick a date. Maybe you want the patient to come back 1 week later and click update. External referral, again, click the add button. So we can say it is emergency, local urgent. Let's just pick routine for now and save. It is routine. Sorry, I needed to add this and local, and then click save. So we have a routine, local referral. So that will be it for the notes and the clerking.